sunlight. Ain't too much no sunlight out, but we're looking good.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what do we have here? Today, man, we got a left rear quarter panel on this here Tesla. Had some scrapes on it, little scrape. Used some 600, got it out. Looked like it might have went through a little bit, so we're just gonna go ahead and put some base over it, clear it, and that's what we're gonna do with this one. But today we have a special guest. We're doing this with the Porphis spray gun. Did I say that right? Porphis spray gun. This is the PRD 717 model. That's what we're gonna be doing. Sent me out this here gun to give a try, so we're gonna give it a try and see what it does. It also has the V nozzle, they call it, which looks like the Iwata LPH. As you know, my baby, it's got the same type nozzle there. And boy, this sucker spray anything like my Iwata, and y'all know this is my first love. Boy, this is my baby. And if she spray anything like my baby, man, we gonna have a threesome, you know what I'm saying? Trigger Man in the middle, boy. But yeah. So we're gonna see what's up with that. We're really gonna see. I'm curious. It's got the quick threading, just like the Sata Jet. It kind of does give me a Sata feel to it, but with Iwata appeal. You know what I'm saying? It got Sata feel, but Iwata appeal. But we really gonna see what's the deal, cause this thing might not be for real. You know what I'm saying? Messing with Trigger Man, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. It looks good, man. It feels good. It feels like a well-built spray gun. Also, what's cool here, check this out. When you turn this here, I'll put it close to my mic. That sucker click, man, when you're turning it. Now that's cool. I ain't never seen a spray gun with that. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. So yeah, man, so we're gonna see what's up with it. And also, this is the Trigger Man edition. Boy, they even put my name in there, boy. Trigger Man. First company to ever do that. Boy, Porphis, God bless y'all, man. God bless y'all. I'm gonna show it, make this thing. I'm gonna see what it can do, boy. I hope it can perform. It came with the swivel. As you guys know, I don't like that swivel. I snatched that right out, you know. I'm a fixed man. I don't like all that swiveling around. But yeah, man, so gun feels like a damn good gun, you know. It really feels like a well-made gun. It's not no little cheapy, not at all. But anyway, man, we're gonna get to it. This is a 1.3, and we're gonna base it and clear it with this and see what it does, man. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. All right, so first off, we're gonna check the spray pattern. I clocked in right about 12 inches, which is good. That's pretty good. You don't need nothing so big and excessive. Going with my base coat, first coat of base. Laying down base pretty good, pretty smooth. I tell you what, in the hand, this sucker does give a feeling of a Sata. It feels just like a Sata in the hand. Sata or the A&I Skull has that same feel in the hand. I'm not saying it sprays like a Sata. I'm not saying that by any means. I'm just saying it has that feeling. So the Sata Jet fanboys, boy, I know they G-strings in are not hearing me say that. Suckers. It does appear to be an even fan, not too bottom or top heavy. This is what that base looks like. Smooth, silky smooth base coat. That's just what you want. Nothing rough, nothing peely, nothing dry. So far, I'm impressed. Okay, going with my first coat of clear. And I'm spraying the clear at 30 PSI. You know, the recommendation is from 8 to 29. So I figured we just round it off. You know, all those spray guns that say 28 PSI, 29. I always just go at 30.
what the hell. But yeah, spray's good, man. It's like, to me, it's like a hybrid between the Seder Jet and an iWater. I mean, it seems like it atomizes the clear and it lays it down effortlessly. And you know, some of those guns, man, you really gotta work the clear. You gotta work it in there. You gotta make it flow out. That's not the case with this. You pull the trigger, you spray, it breaks it up. It's kinda in the ballpark with my LPH, but it's not. It's kind of weird to say, man. You know, it does give the same atomization, but it's almost like the transfer efficiency isn't the same as the LPH, which I know that gun like the back of my hand, but it's close. It's similar. It's similar. It really is.
All right. This is what we're looking like next morning. Ain't too much sunlight out here. Ain't too much no sunlight out. But we're looking good. That's the Porphis. Yeah, ain't too much sunlight out, so that's all we got, man. But anyway, yeah, Porphis 717, good gun. We'll do bigger jobs with it. I'm gonna add it into the roster, so he's gonna be cycled through, and we're gonna do a few more jobs with it. But hope you guys enjoy it. And remember, it's just a spray gun. Now go have fun.
So that's gonna do it on this video for the Porphis PRD 717 with the V-shaped nozzle. Really good gun, man. I'm impressed by it. I'm really impressed by the build, the machining, everything on the gun. Feels like quality. Like, it's really atomizing the clear. The next job I'm gonna put up after this one, you'll really see it. The sun is out more. You know, that's why I pull these cars out in the sun, depending on how the sun hits. You know, you guys can really see it. The next job I'm gonna load up after this, I mean, that gun laid that clear out. Like straight glass, and I wasn't even trying. So, it's a real good gun, man. Real good gun. I look forward to spraying with it more. And again, I'll load up those videos shortly for you guys. So, it's your boy Trigger signing off. I ask that you would please like, share, subscribe. I ask that you would please share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.